Lots of picture taken. How much storage room do you have left in your camera?
I don't know. I have a lot of
Pictures? Not bad. Lots of chocolate. Dustin. Hey! How are you guys?
Take a picture with you.
Yeah, sure.
We left our things there because we are following you. Hi.
What's your guys' names?
Antonio.
Daniel.
Antonio.
Antonio. Nice to meet you, Antonio. Alright guys, so we're leaving Venice. What do you laugh about?
I keep asking him to take pictures, and every time we take a picture, his face is like that.
The first Popeyes I've seen in the Philippines. That's one of my favorites back in Michigan. Love Venice. We can't leave without taking a picture here.
Yeah.
Alright, come on.
Together.
Oh, together. Okay, okay.
And then, hold on.
Just by myself? 3, 2, 1. Alright. Very cool buildings here.
Oh, that's nice. Look at that.
Wow, who's your photographer?
Yeah. I should report him.
Report him? There's some weird guy taking my pictures. So BGC is a huge area. This is kind of where we're starting right here in the Venice area. And now we're gonna take like a half-hour walk to another location. So,
See this?
ah, very nice.
Yes.
So this is like Frisbee football or Frisbee soccer. A very fun game. I used to play this when I was a kid. They're a lot better than I was. That's a fun game though. It's a lot of exercise, a lot of running.
Hello guys, we just got back. It was a good day. It's a tiring day. Dustin is knocked out.
Yeah. I fell asleep as soon as I got back and I was like, oh, we should at least say goodbye.
Yes, yes.
But
It was good.
it was good, yeah.
Yeah.
It was cool seeing the little river and the mall. And
the view.
yeah, it was a nice area to walk around. Today was a perfect day for it.
Yeah. What's the name of that place?
Like BGC?
BGC, and it's like Venice. Yeah, Venice Grand Canal.
Mm-hmm.
Grand Canal.
Yeah, the first
Yes.
place we went to, yeah, it was really cool. And then the walk from there to like the other area was a nice walk.
Yeah.
Lots of things to see. It was cool. It was, I
McKinley
definitely.
Hills.
Mm-hmm.
Those-
Yeah.
Very nice.
Lots of places to eat and things to see. It was a really fun walk.
Yeah, we had burgers, and then the last food we ate is ice cream.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. And then yeah, we're just gonna relax.
Mhm.
We're gonna edit
Yeah, we're watching a show right now on Netflix. What's it called? 1809 or something like that. It's like a 7 or 8 mini series, and it's really cool. It's like not really time travel, but it's like with your mind. It's really cool. If you guys have seen that on Netflix, we're on our last episode, so
Yeah,
I don't know if we're gonna finish tonight.
Sink ship?
I forget what it's called. It's like 1809 or something like that.
It's like sink ship.
But it is really good.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, all right. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
Yes,
and,
thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.
We'll see you guys later.